Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. I don't really have an intro for these planning kind of videos, so hey.
Hey, how y'all doing?
I just wanted to show you guys an update for those of you that care. If you're following my budgeting journey, you will know that I have also decided to start a planning journey. This is to increase my productivity, my focus, etc. What I have found is that the more that I focus on my budget and trying to improve myself, there are other areas that I want to improve. So in planning, my idea was that planning was going to help with that, and for sure it is. At least I've improved by like 40 to 60%. I mean, it depends on the area, but I definitely I have more energy, I'm more focused, I get more things done, I'm reading more, etc. There are lots of things that I'm doing. So write it down, make a plan, and follow through with it. So I have a commonplace book that I just write random thoughts that I have, or to-do lists, or budgeting, or books, notes on the books that I'm reading, and quotes, etc. It's just like a big brain dump. So this is one quote. I didn't have that with me for some reason. This is one quote from Earl Nightingale. Wow, Earl Nightingale says, "The amount of money we receive will always be in direct ratio to the demand for what we do, our ability to do it, and the difficulty of replacing us." So that's just something that I have for myself to remind me to, work hard, because you reap what you sow. So that's one thing that I'm doing, is listening to podcasts and motivational speeches in the mornings. So like I was saying before my camera rudely died on me, I have been planning. This has probably been about a month now. I did do September. I think I did some of August. So this was my September spread. My idea is to be functional with a dash of decorative. And then you'll see I did October as well, kind of with an orange theme to go with the season. There's some stickers. As time goes by, I am realizing that I might want to put work and home together. I have work here in this old planner that I have. So I have work in this old planner that I have. So it's just a monthly calendar, and I have meetings and reminders and important dates in here. But I think I want to do it all together. So since I didn't upload, I never uploaded the plan with me that I had. I did make a plan with me video, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I never uploaded it. Anyway, what I have noticed, what's happening is I do these weekly. These are the planners that I use for work. I was sick this day, so I just crossed that out. But this is... So this was a spread for the first week of October, which I really like this one. I like this on the side. These are my different, this is a teacher planner, but I am using it differently. I am using the categories. This is covering the days of the week, Monday through Friday. So instead they're up at the top. So I really liked this, and it worked for me. And then this was last week. I did that. This was a little bit empty. I guess there wasn't as much going on. And then let me take out the work stuff. I don't wanna. And then this was this week. So this is this week's, and I really don't like this one for some reason. I just don't like the way it came out. It doesn't feel right. Like, this feels like it should not be there. Fashion is way bigger than my woman. So I am learning little by little. So I'll try this again next week. These are my work inserts that I made myself. Well, I didn't make these. I just put them in here and cut them down to size to put them in here. I did edit a lot of this, though. It didn't come like this. But this is what I use during the work day to kind of keep track of what I'm doing. And this is next week. So what I'm going to do next week, what I am going to try is to go back to doing stickers first and then planning around it. So let's try it again. Hopefully I will have a better plan on what stickers I'm going to use. I did get new stickers from Temu, and it came in this box right here. I didn't open them yet. Maybe I should open them, but I like it. All right. So, oh, that's cute. Let's see. Oh, they tricked you there. Made you think you had more. This is cute. Little, oh, there's something on there. Little mushrooms, trees, more mushrooms. Oh, look, the rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. I like that. A hedgehog, I think that's what it is. Oh, I really like these. Wow, there's a lot in here. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was about $5. But I like that I can store these back in there. And this is green, so they kind of color-coded this one. I like this. There are no functional stickers in here, but that's okay. That's what I can use my Happy Planner book for. And I think I want another sticker book. I won't say I want another sticker book. Because I need some more like box stickers, some more functional stickers, and there's not that many in the books that I bought. So hopefully there's one out there that has just that. That would be great. That's cute. Hopefully you guys can see these. I'm sorry. There's a Mona Lisa. What? I am shocked. These are adorable. Hopefully you can see these. There's pears and flowers. Top secret. There's a little letter. More mushrooms and leaves. Oh, these are so cute. Definitely will be using these in the November spread. So I'll leave that. And I think I got some more. You know what? I got some more too. This is where my Klarna purchase went. So I'm paying on that. Only 2 more payments. It's only $14 per payment. So here is the other pack of stickers I got from there. Oh, let's see. Just when I was about to grab the scissors. This is Christmas stickers. So these, of course, I will use in December. And hopefully there's some things that I can use for January too. Okay, so these are not clear. They don't have the clear background, but that's okay. These, I've noticed, just blend right into the calendar. This is cute, a gingerbread man. More, oh, they have some repeats. So, I mean, I guess I can save it for next year. Or what I could do is put it in my journal. Let me show you guys that too. So while I'm clearly not going to show you my private thoughts, put these to the side, I will show you what I started doing with my journal, and it just makes it a little bit more fun to write in. All right, let's show you. So I do this like stickers before I write, and then I just write around it, and I really like how that looks, especially after it's been written in. I don't know why, but I just do. So I just put some stickers in here, and then there's some in here. I try to do enough for a week. This says let's root for each other. I really liked it, so I put 2 of them together. And then this one I love. It's just something that I do for fun. And it was fun to do, and it's fun to write in. So, I mean, if you're looking for tips, maybe, and if you guys are interested at all, maybe I'll show you doing this. This is just a small dotted journal that I got from Dollar Tree. But that's how planning is going for me. This was probably a quick one. But do you have any tips for planning for me? Even whether it's decorative tips or functional tips, please let me know, because my decorative side is lacking. which is weird because I consider myself to be a creative person, but I feel limited by the stickers, but I guess that's where creativity should come in at. But that is all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me some tips down below, some suggestions. Let me know if any of the suggestions that I've had over the time of learning how to plan have helped you at all. And I hope you all have a great evening. Thanks again for watching and spending time with me. Bye.